Namaskar everyone, welcome back to the current again. So today we will continue our lecture on the rights of different ethnic groups and caste. So the next we will read the sixth rights, that is of backward classes. So these are the provision. First provision is political objectives of the states to be ensured for the social justice, building the egalitarian society, and the principle inclusions and participatory principle, eliminating the gender discrimination, making of a special provision by the law of protection, empowerment, or development of the citizen, including the socially and backward classes. Backward classes having the right to social justice to participate in all the bodies of the state on the basis of principal proportional inclusions, making of a special provision for including distribution of economic, social, and cultural opportunity and benefit to the backward classes, and for the opportunities and the benefits of indigenous citizens within such community of their protection, upliftment, empowerment, and development, making of a special provision for the opportunity and benefit for the protection, upliftment, or empowerment and development of the citizen of oppressed and backward regions and for the fulfillment of their basic needs. According to priority to the indigent within all the sexes and religion communities and in the provision of social security and justice. Political parties require to their field their candidacy on the basis of inclusion principle for their elections of the House of Representatives and State Assembly under the proportional electoral system. National inclusions commissions as are constitutional commissions to protect the rights of inclusions of the backward classes. Entry of exclusive backward classes to the Nepali army has to be done on the basis of principle of equality and inclusion. Appointment of the Nepalese ambassadors and special envoys to be made in accordance with the inclusive principles. Appointment of the offices of constitutional organ and bodies to be made according to the inclusive principle. The next rights is for the minority community, and these are the provision. The first provision, minority has been divided as ethnic, linguistic, and religious group having their population less than the percentage specified. So the building of egalitarian society founded on the proportional, inclusive, and participatory principles to ensure the economic equality, prosperity, and social justice. Making of special provisions by the law of protections, empowerment, or the development of citizens, including the socially or culturally backward minority community. So the right to the justice of participating in a state body on the basis of inclusion principle according to the socially backward minor community, making up a special provision for their opportunities and the benefits of social cultural rights along with their identity, making a special provision for their opportunities and benefits for the protection, upliftment, empowerment, and development of the citizen of the oppressed and backward region and for the fulfillment of their basic need. The next point is according to the priority to the indigent within all the sexes, religions, and communities in provision of social security and justice, social justice. And the next was ensure of at least one person with a disability or from minority be elected in National Assembly for each state. The political party requires to fill their candidacy on the basis of inclusion principle of election of the houses of representative and state assembly under the proportional electoral system. Assure of at least two members from Dalit and minor community in the village executives be elected by the village assembly. So the ensure of all the three members of Dalit minority and community of municipal executive be elected by the municipal assembly. So the ensure assurance of at least one member for Dalit or minority communities in the district coordinate community to be elected by the district assembly. Provision of National Inclusion Commission as a constitutional commission to protect the rights of inclusion and minority community. Appointment of the Nepalese ambassador and a special envoy to be made in accordance with the inclusive principle. Appointments to the offices of constitutional organ and the bodies be made in accordance with the inclusive principle. Next right is for the Tharu, and the provisions are eliminating discrimination based on the caste, religion, and language. Building of elegant society founded on the proportional, inclusive, and participatory principle. The political objective of the state is to ensure the fundamental rights and the norms and the values of the human rights. No discrimination be made in the application of general law on the ground of origin, religion, race, caste, tribes, and other grounds. So the making up a special provision by the law of protections, empowerment, and development of the citizen, including the socially and culturally backward Tharu. So every Nepali citizen residing in the Nepal has a right to get the education in their mother tongue, and for that purpose to open and operate the education and educational institutes. Every Nepalese community residing in the Nepal has a right to preserve and promote its language, scripts, culture, cultural civilization, and heritage. So right to the social justice to participate in the state bodies of on the basis of inclusive principle, including of socially backward Tharo. According to priority of the indigenous within all the sexes, religion community provided provision for the social security and social justice. Identification of free Kamlari landless quarters and their rehabilitation by providing housing plot for residents and cultivated lands or employment for their livelihood. Provision of Thorough Commission as a constitutional commissions. So protection of elegant society on the basis of equality, inclusion of representation and identity while structuring the state. President and vice president to be of different sex or community. Political parties required to their candidacy on the basis of inclusion principle and elected at the House of Representatives and State Assembly under the proportional electoral system. Entry of inclusions of Tharu to the Nepal Army to be done on the basis of equality and inclusion. Appointment of Nepalese ambassador, and these three are the same. Eliminating the de-eliminating the election constituency to be done consider of density of population, geographical specificity, administration and transportation convenience, community and cultural respect of the constituency. So with this we'll end this lecture, and in the next lecture we'll discuss more rights of ethnic groups and backward classes and minorities. So thank you for watching. Jai Nepal.